raising system, broiler cage system, layer cage system, breeder raising system, environment control complete system. We have Leon also provide customers with poultry farm total solutions, including project design, steel structures, complete equipment, and services. We have highly qualified technical personnel which are capable to conduct a comprehensive checking for the specification and strictly control each procedure to ensure the reliability and stability of our product. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Canada, South America, Australia, Brazil, etc. Leon always implement the concept of customer value creation for customers' tailored products to meet the needs of different customers and continuously provide customers with solutions and technical problems. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We sincerely look forward to cooperate with you to create a better future.